I've already started the program today, and there was some notes given to me from the private secretary about the verse which Abdurrahman had asked about.
But I don't know why these notes are given to you, because they had yet to be attended in more detail.
Fine.
The fact is that before this work was handed over to me, I had already spoken on the identification of Rajulun Yasa. Rajulun Yasa.
Oh, this is other one.
I'm talking about this. I had already spoken, and it was a completely new idea, which I have never read before in any literature. The idea developed along with you, in presence of all the audience, and ultimately it reached a stage where at least I was satisfied, if no, you were not. Now, this article presents the views held by some Ahmadiyya scholars before this new idea was introduced, with reference to definite verses of the Holy Quran, with all the logic which supports this new idea. So what use is this to me? It's history. History of development of commentary of the Holy Quran. Okay? See, by comparison, they can only be referred to as views which were definitely better than the previously held views. So in this process of evolution of thoughts, this still occupies an important station. But my commentary dealt with all the problems which were still contained in their commentary, which were not fully resolved. And my commentary, with the grace of Allah, developed before your observation during the process of attempting to resolve the issues. So I'm quite sure it was God-given and nothing else can be said about it.